In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the email address linked to your pCloud account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then I want you to hover to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile. I want you to click on it and then click the gear icon, which is the settings. Here, under the account tab, as you can see, there is an option here that says change email. I want you to click on it. Now, basically, pCloud sent instructions on how to change the email linked to your pCloud account. So you might want to check that email for these steps. Now, once you receive the email, all I have to do is click the confirm email change, and you will be forwarded back again to your pCloud account. All I have to do at this point is super simple. Enter the new email address for your pCloud account, okay? But I'm not gonna do this here in my pCloud account because obviously I am using this official email for this tutorial. But if you wanted to change the email, all I have to do is enter your new email address and click the continue button. It's super simple, all right? Because once you've done that, the new email address will be sent here under your account. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to change your email here on pCloud. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.